girls, they see me, holla my name. I some people, can we jubilate? You see me when we pop the champagne. Oh yeah, bigger than the Wonder West. If you tell me Jimmy no hesitate when we sipping that champagne. We mix and we don't go. Oh yeah, fine, fine, guys, why no? Sexy girl, when you're on my go. Oh yeah, see what it is. Oh yeah, show you it. All right. DJ Easy Beat only put me into the mood for dance and every of the craze. Now the craze will soon start. Now by the time I bring in these guests, them enter the show. That the full craze will start. All right. So as it be like this now, we waka enter the cocoa of the day. All right. We call up the cocoa. All right. So DJ Easy Beat is not ready. Make we drop, ladies and gentlemen. This now the cocoa. Easy Beat, play now. Easy Beat. Easy. Play now, don't worry. They say he laugh with it. What's laughing?
We don't start already. We don't start already. Yeah,
What you don't start?
The cocoa.
The cocoa. Play the cocoa now.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Hey, blood of God, oh Jehovah. You see, this is the reason why for this life people could all look, say, man, they do me from village. Nobody they do you. You are doing yourself. As a matter of fact, be like this now. See, Easy Beat, so I don't give work. Since it don't reach the level now, you are following my hand on the public television. What's wrong about you? Easy Beat, are you finally ready?
I see the.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now the cocoa of the day night be this. Now, okay, I will call in my guy. May he come present to me the cocoa of the day. All right, so Lucky Child, you go waka enter now. Come and give me the cocoa. All right, so Lucky, falling. So on the good day, now the level be this. All right, so this one we dress like person with the same medicine inside this thing. Please. Do you have the cocoa?
I have the cocoa.
You have the cocoa?
I have the cocoa.
All right, now give me the cocoa.
Bros, for you, I will give you the cocoa.
All right, give me the cocoa. Say, bros, for you, I'll give you the cocoa.
I look your level, I know the cocoa that fits you, bros.
All right. So you say the cocoa, you give me the cocoa.
What
all
is
right.
the cocoa?
Is this the cocoa?
Yeah, boss.
This is not the cocoa.
This is the cocoa.
That's not the cocoa. What's wrong with you? That's not the cocoa.
But this is the cocoa.
Come on, give me the cocoa.
I got the cocoa.
Come on, give me the cocoa. What's wrong with you?
But I have the cocoa.
Show me the cocoa.
I have the cocoa.
Give me the cocoa.
I will give you the cocoa.
Hand me the cocoa.
What's in the cocoa?
The cocoa? Why they carry woman tea with this?
Like the arrangement.
This is not the cocoa.
This is the cocoa.
Come on, give me the cocoa, man. Oh, blood of God. What's wrong with this guy?
Boss, I have the
Easy
cocoa.
Beat, Lucky Child, everybody misbehaving on the show today.
Boss.
Come on, give me the cocoa.
Boss, can this be the cocoa
This is the cocoa.
of everything?
That is the cocoa. This is the cocoa. Oh, yeah, pack and they go. What's wrong with you?
What's the problem? You see that it's again.
Oh, yeah, they dance, come on. Now flex with that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Now still the late night show, right? And now the cocoa be this. So finally you play, Mabi. You play and finally. All this your plan there to don't ruin my career. I not gonna work. You will not frustrate my ministry. I lay my hands towards you. Receive it now. Fall down. That evil spirit too hard. Which kind of bloody spirits are you carrying? All this Benin wish there. My short is, what's wrong about you? You can't carry evil spirit, can't get muscle joint. Only you na full wall of Jericho. What's wrong about you? Back to the cocoa. Now, different things they happen. Is Davido now, they ask one question on top Twitter. The question goes like this. If I may ask, this one Daniel Ames, now he sent this message on top Twitter. He said, if I may ask, what else is I am Davido talented with apart from music? Davido now can't send his own, give and back. Boom! He just like love making. It's like the fire. Yeah? If you see me, the fire. But on this particular gist now, you know, say everybody sabi talk their own thing, say, I sabi fire. Make boys know they talk this thing. Maybe they ask the chicks them. That guy sabi fire down. Now the guys will feel they give the testimony, say, oh, blah, 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 blah. Like they fire every. They fire for the full every. Because the video come out last time. Not be whiskey come out last time. You know, get one of the video where we see last time. Where one guy will be like whiskey. Okay. For back of one auntie.
Okay.
He be like Picasso back of BRT. He just black. They cancel things. Oh my labor. But I looked that video. It completely no be whiskey. But the guy resemble whiskey. Understand? But the Jews can't go around and say whiskey na fiery.
Fire.
Say the, oh, blah, blah, blah. I say they hard to taste. But Davido, you don't come and talking own. But you really say this kind of thing. Now, what you supposed to say they form bragging for?
See, trust me, you know if you brag on top of this thing. Like what you talked the other time, you say you're supposed to ask the woman where they involved, say how far this guy they fire. There are some women, you know if he has that kind of thing, no matter how you fire rich. Now if nah.
Easy, the style of person they talk from experience.
No, that's not the thing, but you know.
Okay, I go call, I'll call her. Say, Auntie, how far? Easy bit. She'll say, hey, no mind other Moscow. No, nothing. Easy bit, Akbu. He dey sleep quick. 2 minutes, he don't finish. You know, the only thing we sabi na DJ one. But that not be your portion. That will not be your portion. All right, we'll still get one more cocoa of the day. Now, this one concerned by force touch lighting. Very, very wicked something. Anybody with that side, they form raping on top a person, whether you be man or they rape woman or woman or they rape man, because now the two way now. Or man or they rape man self. Some men they rape men. No.
Some serious men.
You're good to sleep now. You see one guy will look you. Just open your ministry for you. Just give you a pathway that will never be closed. Now, for Obodo Igbo for that side, this particular guy go by force, touchlight this woman. You know what the guy can't talk? Where invest me for the whole thing? He say no, say just rape the girl, leave her. When they come, they question the guy into the raping thing. He said now women they make men they rape them. Say now women now they cause them. Say if women they feel they behave themselves, they no go they rape them. Now say to rape now work.
Voluntary.
Now your purpose in life. They all look. You say guys say no. Women they force the whole raping thing.
They force them.
Say now women they call for them. You understand? Say even she said the girl in rape. Say why she go to work out for midnight? Say only she doesn't work out for road. So now raping be the solution now.
So
okay now.
For better to work out for midnight.
Exactly. You just see person they stroke for street. Just for street. Say this.
You go your check time.
Yeah, check time.
Now raping time.
Say yes, raping time. Raping time. You die. Come here. You will die. You will die. God will judge you. Anybody, is it they don't rape you before?
Why? Come on now.
No, you should ask.
No, me no they work out for night.
They work out for night. So, all right, but seriously, now very, very serious case this one be. Nobody's supposed to take the laugh at all. And if you say anybody get any reason to go by force touchlight anybody, whether man or woman, you don't get any reason, you don't get any right to by force do the whole thing. If boy to catch you, sisters of the nice day, even though I'm not going to encourage the whole thing, but hold yourself. All right, hold yourself. Try hold yourself. Okay, now the cocoa of the day be that we don't finish on top of the level. Easy bit cat. Boom. So we don't start now on top of the show. I will bring in my first guest after this break, and then we'll start every. My first guest for the day are Joli, and they will join me very, very soon. So we'll go for this break, and by the time we come back, the main show started. So let's go. Easy bit.
When you see woman who you like, you just use the magic word. Go say